Hey y'all, it's Bam and I am back with another video, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back. And today I'm bringing something different to my channel. I'm going to be doing like a makeup tutorial, not a full face of makeup. I'm just going to be doing a eye look tutorial for you guys, so stay tuned if you are interested in achieving this look. So I already did my eyebrows. I already have a tutorial on how I did my eyebrows already on my channel, so I'll link that in the description box down below. So I'm taking my Anastasia palette and I'm using like a light concealer to conceal my eyes with, because if you conceal your eyes with like a light concealer, then your eyeshadow is going to come out pigmented and brighter. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm going to blend that in. And y'all, I am so sorry for this scarf look on my head. Like, I literally decided to do this tutorial at 3 a.m. in the morning, so I didn't have no wig on or nothing. Like, I just wanted to do like a random makeup tutorial at 3 a.m. in the freaking morning. So sorry about my scarf. Like, this was not planned at all, so I just had to let y'all know that, cause bro, I'm looking hella crazy, so please don't mind it. So for my transition color, I'm going to go into my Morphe palette and choose this light purple color and put it all over my eyelid and then blend it out. So I'm basically gonna do like a wing with my eyeshadow. That's why I'm like blending my eyeshadow like all the way past my eyebrow, because I'm gonna do like a winged eyeshadow look, so you guys go see at the end. So I didn't show y'all, but I'm taking a light brown color that matches my skin tone and I'm blending it in with the purple, so everything can just blend together all nice and good or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm gonna go in with dark purple, and I'm gonna go in with a little black to like darken up my eyeshadow for the cut crease, because I want my cut crease to be like kind of dark. So I'm going in with a dark purple and a little bit of black and blending that all in together. So now I'm going to take this medium shade purple and I'm going to blend that with the light purple, the dark purple, and the black. So this is basically going to bring all the colors together. Everything is just going to blend in nicely. So now I'm taking this same concealer palette that I used earlier to conceal my eyes, and then I'm going to put the concealer on my eyes, then look up. That helps me because I know where to draw my cut crease at. So if you guys don't know how to do no cut creases, then just put some concealer on your eyes, then look up, and then it's gonna like show where you should draw your cut crease at. So that really helps me. So like I said earlier, I'm going to do a winged eyeshadow look. So I'm going to drag the concealer all the way past my eyebrow to basically make a wing shape. So for the rest of this video, I'm not gonna say too much. If I need to explain something to you guys, then I'm going to come back and explain it, but just sit back and watch the rest of this video. Like, y'all, I just really hate talking. That's my problem. I need to stop being so lazy, but I don't know, I'm just bad at explaining things. Hopefully you guys can learn visually, but like I said, if I need to explain something, then I'm gonna come back and explain it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And y'all, I'm not gonna change makeup palettes at all. I'm gonna be using the same Morphe palette for this whole entire video, so I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below so you guys can know where I got my palette from. So you guys see how I put the pink and the blue together and I blended it in to get that purple? That's how I got that purple. I did not use purple eyeshadow, just to let y'all know. The key is to blend all your colors together. So you see how I'm putting down this green? After I put down the green, I'm gonna go back in with the blue and like blend the blue in with the green as I'm doing right here. So just blend all your colors together. So right here I'm taking the same concealer palette that I used earlier before, and I'm making another cut crease under the cut crease that I just did, so you basically can see the rainbow line I just did. So you guys are gonna see what I'm doing, and I'm gonna make the winged cut crease again like I did the first one. So the color I'm gonna be using for my second cut crease is from Yonne Essentials, and y'all need to go check out my best friend website because all her eyeshadows are so pigmented and so bright and pretty. So I'm gonna leave a link to her website and all her information down in the description box down below, so you guys go shop with her, period. And y'all, a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Like, you really don't need a lot. All you need to do is take a little bit and literally just tap it on your eye, and it's gonna come out so bright, so pigmented. Like, a little goes a long way. You really don't need to pack it on at all. I don't know where this yellow eyeshadow is from, but I thought it was cute, so I'm putting that in the corner of my eye. So I did my wing liner, lashes, and I did my other eye off camera. So this is basically the completed look. I wanted to bring something new to my channel because I did used to be a makeup artist, so like, why not do makeup on my channel? So let me know if you guys want me to start doing makeup tutorials and everything. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Pink, can you sit with me, bitch? What the fuck you think? Hell to the fuck no.